Hi there, I can't cook and I hate vegetables. So let's make salad dressing.
In order to make any salad dressing, we need to incorporate some sort of acid with oil. So grab your dressing bowl and prepare a flow. Squeeze half a lemon into a bowl and slowly drizzle in 2 parts of olive oil for every part of your lemon juice. Yeah, this takes quite a long time. And there you have it, a basic lemon salad dressing. Let's give it a taste. This is just oily lemon. How do people even... Oh yeah, salt and pepper to taste. I don't know how much it will improve, but... Oh wow, it does actually taste good. Yeah, it's sour, savory, it's great. How about some honey? I think I prefer this one. Sweet and sour. Holy crap, this is amazing. Now finally, to make something that I have never made before. 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, a squeeze of honey, drizzle in your olive oil, salt and pepper, it tastes like massage bomb. Have you ever seen a massage bomb? But I have. It looks and smells exactly like this. I mean, it tastes okay. It's sweet, it's sour, it's herby, it's creamy. It's... I like it. I like it, but it's still weird.
As someone who hates vegetables, I think salad is great. I mean, I'm not eating the vegetables with the dressing. I'm eating the dressing with vegetables. And I like it. This is the end of the video. Like it, dislike it, subscribe. You do you. See ya.
By the way, I never actually tried balsamic vinegar on its own.